Good afternoon, my name is Margelis Mendes and today I will be talking about my work of art. Next, I will answer some questions about the things of my artwork. What is this artwork? These are artwork of art that reflects feeling, emotion, and sensation embodied in drawings that represented obsolete but harmonious lights where you hope to achieve what you want. What were your inspiration? My inspiration were mainly reading the poem that deals with feels and also times. I believe that through the words of art, what is wanted to be said its reflection went to the need for words. What's the need of this one and we? His name is lighting with hope, because hope is the last thing to light and hand in hand with light. You have to count how to handle the situation that comes your way. Thank you.